Hey guys, Adam here, hope you're well. Now, with regards to wedding filmmaking, I would say that I'm known as somewhat of a minimalist. Followers of this channel might know what I'm talking about, and it's certainly something that I market myself as to wedding clients because couples really buy into that, the whole discreet filming, small cameras, I won't be in your face at your wedding. That kind of attitude. So as far as marketing and promoting myself goes, I lean on the minimal approach, and it helps me to book more wedding clients, but it also makes my life easier when filming a wedding. It means I can edit quicker and turn around films quicker, and it also makes my business more cost effective. So being a minimalist is an approach that works all round. So in this video, let me break it down for you just a little bit. To be a minimalist in all aspects of your filmmaking business, you need to think about your kit, your approach on the wedding day, i.e. the kind of footage that you shoot, and your editing as well. But starting with the kit, all of the equipment that I use has been well documented on this channel over a number of videos. I shoot with Sony mirrorless bodies, just two small prime lenses, small tripods, and a few audio recorders. And that covers 99% of my wedding day. It's more than enough. I don't use gimbals, no lighting equipment, I rarely use a drone. All of this extra stuff is unnecessary. They're brilliant tools, obviously, but if you really do want to be serious about being more minimal, then strip it right back to the basics. And think to yourself, is this piece of equipment essential? I.e., if I don't use it, can I still film the wedding day to a standard that the bride and groom are going to love? I also shoot handheld for most of a wedding day, which is as basic as it gets. And actually, the reason I love this approach is because I never miss a moment. I'm 100% devoted to watching the wedding and the guests, and I'm not off in a corner adjusting my slide cam. So I actually think that being minimal makes me better. And if you're going to market yourself as a discreet and unobtrusive videographer, which is a USP, then actually deliver on it. So when it comes to the wedding day itself, you turn up with these little cameras and you start operating in this minimal way as advertised. Starting with the bridal prep, one camera, one lens, handheld, nice and simple, it's all you need. And when it comes to capturing the footage, you want to be recording strictly what you know you will use in the film. So when you compose a shot, or you look at the back of your screen, or you look down your viewfinder, only hit record if you are 100% happy with what you are seeing. And think to yourself, is this clip actually going to get used in the edit? Now obviously this is easier said than done, but generally, as long as the shot is composed nicely and it's not overexposed or unstable, then there's no reason why it can't go in the edit. And what you'll find is over time you'll become more and more streamlined at this process. The other element to this is to only record each clip for 5 or 6 seconds generally. Chances are you're only going to use 3 seconds of that clip in the edit, so why record for any longer than you need to? That's just adding to your post-production workflow. So not only is this approach making your wedding day more minimal and less imposing videographer, it's also reducing your edit times. It's a big piece of advice this, only shoot for what you need for the edit. Now don't forget that at every wedding there is going to be guests, family, friends who could be getting married at some point in the future and could become your potential clients. So you're always on show. And by being this super relaxed, almost invisible videographer, when those guests watch their film weeks later, they'll be like, I don't even remember how he got that shot. He was nowhere to be seen. That is a major plus point when it comes to convincing clients on why they should book you over the competition. Now for me, minimalism also comes into play when you're editing the wedding films themselves, because that mindset of, do I actually need this? Can I strip it back anymore? That applies to the editing as much as the filming itself. Do I need that transition? Do I need to spend 30 minutes color grading that one clip? Is it going to make a difference to the story or the couple? By streamlining everything I do right down to the post-production level, I've reduced my editing times to a day, sometimes 2 days per wedding. So my workflow is massively improved and the dreaded backlog is pretty much non-existent. But reducing your edit times could be a whole other video in itself. It may be one that I'll make in the future. If you'd like to see that, then leave me a comment below. For now, that is my take on being a minimalist wedding videographer. Obviously reducing the amount of kit that you use and focusing on the important filmmaking elements, i.e. story, but also how I strip back my entire process to make my business more manageable and I would argue more successful. I hope it's been helpful. If it has, please like and subscribe. That would be amazing. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Minimalism. Minimalism. How to be a minimalist. Minimal.